Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Booking.com, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Booking.com website or opening the app on your device. Create an account if you haven't done so already. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. Decide on your travel destination by typing it into the search bar. Select your check-in and check-out dates. Enter the number of guests traveling with you. Click on the search button to view available accommodations. Browse through the listings shown. Use filters to narrow down your options based on price, property type, and amenities. Take note of the total price for each listing, including any additional fees. Click on a property that interests you to see detailed information. Review the property details including location, amenities, and cancellation policies. Look at the guest reviews to gauge the quality of the property. Compare several properties to find the best fit for your budget. Bookmark or save your favorite listings for easy access later. Once you've made a decision, click on the Book Now button. Enter your guest information as required. Review the total costs again to ensure they fit within your budget. Select your preferred payment method and enter the necessary details. Confirm your booking by clicking on the Final Confirmation button. Make sure to check your email for the booking confirmation. Set a reminder for your travel dates to stay on track with your budget. Consider using the wishlist feature to monitor any price changes on your chosen properties. Plan ahead to ensure you keep your travel expenses within your overall budget. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.